everybody, welcome back to another Tuesday grilling video. And some days you just need something quick and easy for dinner. It's exactly what this is, but it's unbelievably flavorful. All we're gonna do is take some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We tend to like these a lot. You can do it with tenderloins, drumsticks, any part of the chicken would be fine. We use the boneless, skinless thighs. And we're gonna use a completely commercially available Weber chili lime rub. We love this stuff. Put a couple tablespoons of that in a Ziploc bag along with your chicken and just massage it in. Put it in the fridge for a few hours. Interestingly enough, I made this up 2 nights ago and it's been sitting in the fridge, so it is gonna have a lot of that chili lime flavor. And pretty simple, we're just gonna do it on the gas grill side today instead of in the pellet smoker side. We've got this thing at about 300 degrees, I would say between low to medium, and we're gonna put them on the bottom burner. So let's just wait for this to get its temperature. We'll pop it on. We're definitely getting close to temperature. I'd love to ask if y'all could do me a favor. If you enjoy these videos, do us a favor and subscribe. We noticed about 75% of the people that watch our videos are not subscribed to the channel. Subscribing doesn't cause you any challenge or harm. All it does is give you a notification in YouTube when we upload a new video. We upload every Tuesday with another new grilling video, and we have a pretty good variety. We typically do stuff on the pellet smoker or the Blackstone griddle, but you never know what kind of surprise we may have for you. We've also been doing these really fun culinary circumnavigations of different countries and trying all the cuisine there. It's been a really cool way to teach the grandkids a little bit about geography and explore new cultures and foods. So again, do us a favor, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like the video if you do. Thanks everybody. And it really is as simple as just popping these guys on. Oh man. That chili lime rub smells good. We'll let these go for about 4 minutes. All right, so it's been about 4 minutes or so. It's looking pretty good on the bottom side. We're just gonna go ahead and work on flipping these guys over. And the first one is the thickest one I've had in there. I'm gonna go up to the upper rack with that one. It's nice and brown. You really want your chicken to be 165 degrees. But as a few of you have pointed out in the comments, if you wait to take it off the grill when it's already at 165, it's gonna continue to cook a little bit and potentially get a little bit dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook these to about 155 to 160, and then I'm gonna take them off and I'm gonna let them rest for a few minutes. That way the temperature will continue to climb to 165. That's the magic temperature where all bacteria is gonna be killed in the chicken. You definitely want that for food safety. All right, it's been about another 3 minutes. We're just gonna check the temperature here real quick. 151, 155. I'm gonna pull this one off. This one's gonna be done too. It's a small one, yep, 158. That one done too. This one's the thickest one. We're just gonna check this out again. Let's see what we got. We're at about 155. I'm gonna go ahead and just leave that on for another moment. 1 minute, and then we're gonna pull it off. Over here. Yeah, right here. Hey, do me a favor. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you wanna see more like it, subscribe to the channel and click on that little bell notification so you get notified of new videos. Thanks. So I let that go for just about 1 more minute in there, get that one up to temperature. I'm just gonna let them sit out here and rest for about 5 minutes. Then we'll cut into it, we'll test it out, let you know how good it is. All right, this has been resting for about 5 minutes. We're just gonna go ahead and cut us a little piece. Bon appetit. I will say it looks nice and juicy inside. Definitely a dark color from all that chili lime rub. Let's see if it's enough or too much. That is good stuff.
Can I try it?
Come on over, you wanna try it? Got a little taste tester coming over here too. All right, you ready to give it a try?
Gimme.
How you like it? It's delicious? I'm glad you like it. Now you want another bite?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna have another bite too. I see you hovering. You want one more? That's the good stuff. That's all the seasoning. All right, hop back in the pool. This really is good. Hope you give it a try. As simple as can be. It was literally 3 minutes of prep and about 8 minutes to cook this thing up. Chili lime rub chicken thighs. Simple and easy and really flavorful. We'll see you all next Tuesday. Happy grilling. That really is flavorful. So I was just packing up my camera and whatnot, and I saw this. How is it?